The next topic we are going to address is this topic of blocks. What are blocks? So blocks are composable units that allows us to build our workflows. So we have different kind of blocks, as in we have agent type, we have memory and context type, we have reasoning blocks, we have orchestration, different types of blocks that allows us to orchestrate the flow and control the flow of our workflows, tool and actions. We have triggers, outputs. So pretty much then the blocks are just the composable units that allows us to build our workflows. How do we create now blocks? The way we create blocks is just by pressing the space bar, and you're going to have a list of blocks available at your disposal here. So you can select one block from the list and you'll see that block being dropped automatically into the workflow. Or we can also press space bar and we can search for a specific block. Or another way to do it will be to go to the plus sidebar here, and we are going to select from here the block that we want to create. Now you see there are different types of blocks, and some of them have different kind of visual display. In this case, this is a panel block. This is a generator block. And you'll see that each one of them, they have different fields and parameters that we can deal with. So if you look at the generator, you see we always have this kind of small icons here. We have the header, which is the name of the type of block that we are dealing with. And we have here the three dots that represents the show parameters fields. And here we are going to have the show preview, and we are going to look at that in a moment. And we have also an option to trigger just one specific block if we want to. So if you click on the three dots, you'll see that here you have then all the parameters. In this case, this is a generator block. So we have different kind of Gen AI type of models that we can choose from then for the generator block to execute, to run. So we have then the functionality to select between the models, to input, to change different parameters like rotation angle. And the same is true for other blocks. So as you can see, that's a generator block. It has a set of variables and parameters. If we open a agent block, you'll see we have a different kind of set of fields and parameters that are specific to this type of block. So we have agent instructions, we have skills, manuals, tools, the models that you want to use for the agent. So if we look through all the blocks that we have over here, we'll see that each block has a different kind of set of parameters that we can deal with and we can control.